And so as we can see, there are a number of catalysts coming up for Humacyte stock in 2026. The two closest catalysts are a possible confirmation of the budget allocated by the Pentagon in order to buy Symvess, Humacyte's acellular tissue engineered vessel for vascular trauma repair, and any revenue results generated by Humacyte for Symvess in Q4 of 2025, which we should hear about in a maximum of 6 weeks. We already saw the results posted in a significant sales increase in Q3 2025 right here. During the third quarter of 2025, we continue to execute on our US commercial launch of Symvess, with sales increasing substantially, totaling $703,000 for third quarter compared to $100,000 in the second quarter. And any positive news around a growth in sales to over $700,000, which beats the results from the last quarter, should see a share price spike for Humacyte. On top of that, we have potential positive news surrounding the planned marketing authorization application for Symvess in Israel. Humacyte have confirmed they're moving aggressively forward with a planned MAA filing this quarter. And so there will be announcements for this in, I estimate, up to 6 months. It could just be the start of the submission or start of discussions and then the approval. Again, we'll see the Humacyte share price spike. And we also have a number of pipeline catalysts to look forward to this year as well. And the supplemental BLA to add dialysis as a new indication, which again would open up a new patient population to the treatment. Around 4.1 patients worldwide regularly undergo dialysis treatment in order to survive. And out of these dialysis patients, perhaps around 800,000 to 1.2 million could actually benefit from Humacyte's Symvess product. And this announcement right here is also of huge significance to Humacyte too. IND submitted to the FDA for the CABG, coronary artery bypass grafting indication. And it relates to this indication in their pipeline right here. Coronary tissue engineered vessel, CTEV, progresses toward first human study. Humacyte plans to advance CTEV into first in human study in CABG in 2026. In preparation for the trial, Humacyte has submitted an investigational new drug, an IND, application to the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for the CABG indication. And this is significant simply because it will be the first in-human trial for this treatment in their pipeline right here. And it could replace traditional veins or synthetic grafts in hundreds of thousands of patients each year in the US. Coronary artery bypass grafting actually opens a bigger commercial opportunity compared to that of dialysis, but we can see right here that it is far earlier in its development, being only at preclinical stage right now. We can see here the global coronary artery bypass graft market size was estimated to be over 20 billion USD in 2025 and is projected to reach over 27 billion USD by 2033. In the United States, approximately 240,000 coronary artery bypass grafts, so CABG surgeries, are performed annually. And if Humacyte's innovation proves safe and effective in humans for this indication, it could become the go-to off-the-shelf solution for surgeons. And so with all of this in mind, 2026 is actually a huge year for Humacyte. It very much depends on their ability to execute over this coming year. And it's why we've seen projections of this stock with a mean price target of over $8. But like I said, it very much depends on Humacyte's ability to execute across a number of different fronts across their pipeline. And so naturally, I'll keep you updated on Humacyte and all the other stocks that I document on this channel. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.